What's up, guys? Today we're going to be getting a lot of bombs and exploding them in Animal Company. So let's go. I'm gonna waste a lot of money today, but it's fine. Alright. This is gonna take a while. So yeah, I'm going to cut the video. Or speed it up. I'll probably just cut it though. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done getting all the bombs up there. Alright guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna go to a more of an open space to do this, and I put them in a backpack, all the grenades, and they're all impact grenades, so or two of them are not, but they'll probably explode immediately because they're impact grenades. So let's go! Yeah, that was cool. But, yeah, so this is pretty much it. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later, and goodbye. Woo!